Naim Blansar and Luis Diaz-Aleg are two of Bite24 travelers that visit several biotech projects and institutes in Europe. At Novonesis in Copenhagen, they saw many applications of enzymes. In washing powder, to recycle plastics and, for example, to keep bread longer tasty.
It's pretty amazing. What they do is to use their enzymes to make the more volume in the bread with the same amount of mass at the beginning. So what you get is a fluffy type of bread that is better for the consumer. It's really amazing.
Would you eat that bread?
I think we all do. They told us that all industrial producers in the world use their enzymes to produce their bread.
When we think about and we talk about biosolutions, what we mean is it's about microbes, protein, enzymes, peptides. And I think ultimate aim is to come up with solutions that are sustainable for almost every problem of today or perhaps for tomorrow as well. It's not only about the making money, but how are we trying to do and handle our businesses?
I can say I remember them as the masters of microorganisms. And I can say also I love their business model. So they go to a company and say, do you want to go from a chemical process to a bio process? I will try to understand your process and go into the nature and look for enzymes that work at the pH, temperature, and the same substrate that you are working with your chemicals, and try to mimic in nature and then put it in our really good microorganisms and produce the enzymes for you. And I think that is fantastic.
For several processes, for example in the field of oil and fats, biotech can already offer new, more sustainable production routes.
Right now we're at a point where we can actually do it for a lot of segments at a comparable or lower cost. And actually we need to be where the green or the biosolutions are at a lower cost or at a significantly increased yield of value.
Also consider carbon capture from flue gases with enzymes at lower temperatures. Think 80 degrees Celsius. Residual heat can be used for that in many cases.
There is a fundamental type of enzyme that is used everywhere in nature to actually capture and release CO2 to and from the atmosphere. That's an enzyme that is fundamental for all living beings on the planet, whether it's plants, whether it's animals, whether it's microbes. And that enzyme can facilitate transfer of carbon dioxide to and from liquid.
I think I would love to work on the enzymes that they use on fats to modify waste oils actually and to upgrade them into biodiesel or other oils or fats. So it's very nice to see that we can use enzymes for a lot of products, because creating something with enzymes is always very much nicer than do it the chemical way, because you have less waste, you often need lower temperatures, and they're also very specific, so you don't create a lot of other bad products.